The next question belongs to Shireen. The date of question is 27 July 2009 and the time of question is 1:55 a.m. From Egypt. The question is, will I leave my job? Will I be promoted in career? And what is the ideal source of income for her? Here, when we cast the horoscope for the time of question, we get Taurus ascendant with Mars in the ascendant, and the Venus, the Lord of ascendant, in the second house, and Moon in the fifth house. So it indicates that there is no change in job, and the promotion will definitely be there by January 2010. So there is no need to change, and you can continue very well in the same job. The technical consultancy, etc., and the finance job is indicated to be the best. Financial accounting or banking, etc., these kind of jobs are the best. And to get the best results, wear a diamond in the ring finger. That is best. Then the next question belongs to Nadia, born on 31st May 1985 at Casablanca, Morocco, at 11:20 a.m. and she wants to know about the chart. Here the chart is a Cancer ascendant with Moon in the fourth house. The Cancerians, they are very sentimental in nature, and Libra is there in the fourth house, and Saturn is going to come to Libra in after 3 years. So whenever Saturn comes to the fourth house, Libra, it will give a change in residence. So we can say that change in residence, and as well as the change in profession after 3 years. And as far as her nature is concerned, because Cancerians are normally round faced, they have good looks and they have a very soft nature. They get mixed up with everyone easily, and here Jupiter is in the seventh house. It is indicating that she will meet a boy in 2009, the next 5 months itself, with whom she is going to get married in 2010. The married life is excellent, and also near future the time is very good. She can enjoy her life, and she should wear pearl, maybe in necklace form or in ring form, and also yellow sapphire. Yellow sapphire will help in marriage as well as in bringing good luck for her. Then the next question belongs to Al-Bahar, born on 21st September 75 at 4 a.m. 4 past 4 minutes at Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. And the question, he says that I have a very strange disease related to the blood and immune system. For my immune system is attacking my body organs because it considers it as enemies of foreign substance that would be destroyed. What are the astrological reasons for that, and what are the remedies for this? Basically, in this, Jupiter and Moon, they are in the 8th house, and that is the main reason in his horoscope, and it indicates that this kind of problem started in 95-96, way back, say already 12 years have gone. And though he is seems to be very attractive, this boy, this girl seems to be very attractive, but yet this problem is there. She should wear a ruby set in gold in ring finger in the left hand, and should recite mantra for Lord Shiva, that is Om Namah Shivaya. Again, Om Namah Shivaya. This mantra should be recited 108 times every day, and should wear a Rudraksh with 13 faces, 14 faces and 1 face. Means 3 Rudraksh together, 1, 13 and 14 face Rudraksh. And the horoscope indicates that the problem has surfaced for the last 1 year in July 2008, July-August 2008 it surfaced again, and has been at peak in for the last 6 months, 8 months. With this remedy, this problem should settle down. This health problem should settle down to a great extent in next 3 months itself. She should definitely do this, adopt this remedy, and I think she will be able to take care of her health to a great extent.